So you have total 2 years experience in Vue.js.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So how many projects you have done in Vue.js?
My current project is working with Vuejs. My previous project I worked with Angular.
Okay. So okay. So rate yourself out of 10 in Vue.js.
4 I can give.
Out of 10, right?
Yes.
Okay. And Angular?
Angular I can give 4.
Okay, it's fine. So let's start with some basic concept.
Okay.
You know, Vue.js.
Okay.
Okay, so tell me few advantages of Vue.js over the React and Angular.
First thing is it's easy to use compared to React and Angular. So it's a combination. I can say it's a combination of Angular and React. And also apart from that, we have lots of good developer community for Vue.js, and it has good. We can in Google we can find out more solutions compared to community solutions compared to React and Angular. Those are all the major advantages of going with Vue.js, and it's easy to use compared to Angular. It learning curve is very large. Vue.js, any developer know like .NET or simple JavaScript, he can learn the Vue.js concepts within 2 to 3 months. But in Angular it takes long curve to learn.
Okay, so what is the virtual DOM in Vue.js?
Virtual DOM is an object. When real DOM is created, virtual DOM is also created. Let's suppose if any of the object contains the elements, HTML elements like h1, h2, div elements, something like that. So if you update any of the span tag in a Vue, it is not going to update the entire DOM. It is partially update the exact element in the DOM. It's called virtual DOM.
Okay. So what is the life cycle of Vue.js?
Life cycle of Vue.js. Component will be created. So I cannot remember the exact words.
Okay. So what is the difference between the mounted and before update?
Yeah, in the mounted method, we can mounted method will call when the DOM is available, so that you can create. You can call APIs in the mounted method. Before mounted API method will call before the DOM is created.
Okay. So have you implemented any authorization feature in your Vue.js application?
Yes, currently internally we use one .NET libraries for authentication and authorization purpose. We are using it. So we are not using any external authorization authentication.
So suppose there are the 4 modules in Vue.js application. Fine. My admin will see all the 4 modules, but user see out of 2, right? Okay. So how you restrict users at the time when I say admin, if I log in, so I can see. We can use VV cards like before enter. So in the before each method, it takes 3 parameters. One is from, another one is to, another one is next. So in the before each method, we can just when you're accessing to URL or navigating from one page to another page, before which method will be executed. So we can handle those authorizations or in before each or before enter methods. No. I'm saying on a dashboard component, right? Okay. All the 3 boxes is, suppose all the 4 modules is present, module 1, module 2, module 3, and module 4. Okay. Fine. So if I'm entering as an admin, so I will see all the 4 modules. If I will enter as a user, so I can see only the 2 modules. So how we can implement? Yeah, we can hide the modules depending upon the authorization policies. So how you implement the authorization policies? That's why I'm asking. No, I cannot. Okay, so suppose okay, fine. So there are lots of APIs in Vue.js application. Some inserting data, updating data, fetching the data, right? So for validating or authenticate the server side request, so I need to add the authorization token in request header. Yes. Fine. So globally, how you will do that? Globally, for how we can add the authentication token in request? In Vue.js. Yeah, in Vue.js. No. Okay. So Vue.js is based on the MVVM pattern or MVC pattern? MVC pattern. MVC pattern. Okay. Okay. So what is the difference between the let and where keywords? Where keyword can be accessed if it is the method. If you return the where keyword within a block, it can be accessed after the block also, code block also. But let keyword can be accessed within a block only. So as per the documents, they recommend to use let keyword instead of where keyword. Okay, so what is the difference between the on blur and on change event? On blur event will execute when user clicks on the element. On change event will execute when user changes the value of the element, or if user types something, the method will be executed. Okay, what is the state management? State management techniques are used to preserve the user's history in a Vue.js application. Okay, so suppose there are some data available in store. Right? So if I reload that application, so data will persist or not in store? When user loads the application first time, is that you're saying? Yeah, reload. Application is reload or refresh, whatever. If user refresh, data will be available. When user close and reopen the same URL, that time data will not be available. Okay, so suppose URL is open. Fine, I refresh that page. So data will be there or not? Data will be there. Data will be there. Okay. Have you heard the event bus? No. Okay. How we transfer the data between the components? Using props. Or we can go with the state management technique like Vuejs, Pinia.
Hello.
Yeah, just okay, just a minute. Okay. So, have you got any third-party component, third-party libraries, control like and like?
No, I have not worked.
Okay. So, what is the material design components?
Material design components are built-in components, so that we can just use with our Vue applications. As like we have in Angular material is there, right? So it's similar to that. So the designs will be predefined already. So the developer no need to worry about the designs and all.
Okay. Okay. She might done for my site, right? And feedback I can connect to you.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you.